唔知你識唔識用英文表達渣男呢？渣男嘅意思係喺感情關係中一個自私、不負責任同埋玩弄感情嘅男人。喺英文裏面，渣男有幾個唔同程度嘅表達嘅，睇下你識幾多個。第一個渣男嘅表達 jerk，呢個字想表達嘅係自私同埋不顧他人感受。Didn't you know she's only attracted to jerks? Don't be a jerk. At least have the decency to break up with her. 渣男嘅第二個表達 player，呢個想表達嘅係玩弄感情、唔認真或者花心。Please don't fall for him. He's a total player. She's a player magnet. I can't explain it. 渣男再嚴重啲嘅，我哋有 scumbag。呢一個係想表達佢不顧他人感受，同埋甚至去到人渣呢個程度嘅。He's such a scumbag. He ghosted her after just 1 week. He cheated on her again. What a scumbag. 咁我覺得最接近渣男呢個稱呼咧，就係 boy。為咗唔想俾人刪除影片，我就會叫做 F-boy。呢個會想表達嘅係一個人會玩弄感情，或者只係追求性愛。He's giving off total F-boy vibes. An F-boy like him needs to come with a warning label. 唔知大家有冇遇過渣男呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同埋 share。想揾私人英文補導師咧，就歡迎私信我。想支持我繼續拍片，或者想輕鬆地揾翻啲過去拍過嘅題材咧，就歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。咁每個星期都會有會員專屬影片嘅。